Who among us hasn't pondered the importance of mastering survival skills and the role of fire in our survival? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Today we're going to delve into one of the age-old techniques of creating fire, the bow drill method. Imagine this. You're stranded in the wilderness, it's getting colder, and you need a fire. What do? You don't need a lighter or matches. All you need are some basic materials and a little bit of patience. The first order of business is to gather your materials. You will need a bow, a drill, a fireboard, a socket, and some kindling. The bow should be a sturdy, curved piece of wood, about arm's length. The drill, on the other hand, is a straight, round piece of wood, roughly the length of your forearm. The fireboard is a flat piece of wood with a small depression where the drill will spin. The socket is used to apply downward pressure on the drill. It can be a stone or another piece of wood. And finally, the kindling is what will ignite once you create a spark. Now, it's time to assemble your bow drill. Secure the drill into the bow's string. The string should be tight enough to hold the drill firmly but loose enough to let it spin freely. Place the fireboard on a stable surface. Next, place the end of the drill into the depression on the fireboard. Use the socket to apply downward pressure on the drill. Hold the bow with the other hand and start moving it back and forth. This will cause the drill to spin, generating friction between the drill and the fireboard. Keep going until you see smoke. That's your cue that a hot ember has been created. Carefully transfer this ember to your kindling. Blow gently on it to provide oxygen and help the fire grow. Congratulations, you've just made fire using a bow drill. To recap, here's what we did. Mastering the bow drill method isn't just about survival. It's about connecting with our ancestors, understanding the basic principles of physics, and appreciating the power of fire. It's a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. And remember, as with any fire-related activities, always prioritize safety. So, the next time you find yourself pondering about survival skills or the importance of fire, remember the bow drill method. It's not just a survival skill, it's a testament to human resilience and ingenuity.